Yo, chat. Good morning, my beautiful people. We got 2 minutes till market opens currently. And yeah, I don't know what I'm expecting today. There's a lot of draws of liquidity. Sometimes it's more obvious, but today I'm not really certain. We have a lot of draws on liquidity to the downside as well as to the upside. We got this new week opening gap that I marked out. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just hoping for a blessed day today, guys. Here in New York, it's crazy. This blizzard weather is crazy, but yeah, let's have a blessed day. Let's have a blessed day today, guys. Bam. London highs swept on ES and Nasdaq. Nice. That's a good sign. Oh, are we going straight to the new week opening gap? Yo. Word, gang. Yo, Nasdaq, you rejecting it like crazy though. What was that? Yo, that wick is diabolical. That wick is diabolical.
Balloons at the top. Balloons at the top.
That's how I blew a toss-up account once. Because I was like, oh, it's about to take it out. Let me just go long. Psych. It reversed just like this. All right. New week opening gap. Filled on. Oh, is it filled? Like completely filled? Now it's completely filled. Nasdaq. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, Nasdaq didn't do it. What's good with you, Nasdaq? Oh, man, incense. Nah, I think Nasdaq's gonna take it out. I think Nasdaq's gonna take it out as well. ES is going for Friday's highs. Straight to Friday highs. Nasdaq still hasn't taken out this new week opening gap. Come on, give me them beautiful shorts. Give me them shorts like when Trump now announced tariffs. I need them type of shorts.
Oh yeah.
Damn. Yeah, because the next draw on liquidity to the upside is mad deep. The next draw on liquidity to the upside is crazy deep. So, it's low-key shorts. I hope so. Bears SMT, gang. I'm telling you, bro. bro. Why even if it respects this gap, bruh? If there's a low inside of the fair value gap, if that gets swept, that's a movie.
A beautiful fair value gap getting created.
Oh my gosh. I swept it. Oh my gosh. Let's see what it does. Brody. Let's see what it does. Sheesh. You going deep, my boy. I think the bull run is over. The bull run is definitely. Yo, what is that candle? Oh my gosh. Yo. Come on, give me that retracement, bro. I'm feeling short now. I'm definitely feeling short now.
Almost 100 fucking points drop, bro.
So crazy. Bro, give me that retracement.
It's inverse in it.
Yeah, bro. Give me that retracement. Oh, straight shot for it. It's going straight for it, bruh. Yo, what is this I pulled up? Oh, NQ being a bad boy right now. NQ being a bad boy. It's because of the snow, bruh. Oh my gosh. Yep, we're taking out liquidity. What is that candle, dog? I need a bigger retracement than that. I really need a bigger retracement than that, bro. That's nothing.
Yes. That's really nothing.
You gonna take it out, just take it out, bruh. If you gonna take it out, just take it out. Word of bro.
Yep. This 1 minute candle gonna take it out.
Word of bro. Word up, bro. If you gonna do it, Nasdaq. Word up, bro. Yep. Gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Dog. Alright, alright. Oh, now you want to retrace. Ah, now you want to retrace. Alright, it's all good. Yeah, retrace into this order block on ES. I might be going down this. I might be down to go short right now, actually. I'm in. I'm in, yo. Yeah, bro. Let's see.
What's your TT? Asia lows?
Yeah, Asia lows, Brody. I got fried. Oh, I got fried. Yeah. Yeah.
It's fire, bro.
That one fire, bro. Oh my, bro. A+ setup. A+ setup right now.
You see how it embraced that fucking...
A+ setup right now.
I don't understand.
Stop playing with me.
I don't like that. I don't even like that, bro.
I think it... Did it inverse it on ES? No, it didn't. That wasn't even a thing to inverse. Like, bro, ES is slowly moving to...
What? Look at that fucking drop.
I know. That's why I got quiet. That's why I got quiet.
Are you still on Swanser?
Yeah, kinda, but this kind of drop is getting me tight. Yeah, I'm in.
What's your entry, Noah?
24,852. I'm about to get stopped out. Yep, I'm stopped out. Yes! Oh my gosh, my P&L is crazy. I am down one. Across both my accounts, I'm down 1.4K. So 700 on each account.
Oh shit.
Yeah, chat.
I thought you were about to say on one account. Oh man.
Yo, that would have been crazy. That would have been crazy. But honestly, chat, really bad trading today from my part. Horrible trading from my part today. Honestly, both entries, I would say the first one was really FOMO, and the second one was like half and half FOMO. Yeah, chat. It's just, yo, I rushed into it, and that's definitely my fault, and I'm taking accountability for both of these losses because I should have been way more patient, first of all. Second of all, I didn't even take into account ES. I didn't even take into account ES. I was just looking at Nasdaq. I really don't have no idea why I was looking at Nasdaq. We retraced into this 5-minute gap, and then we got a really good entry, probably like around here, targeting these lows, and that would have been a really good trade. But I was just looking at Nasdaq, and that ended up me getting a bad fill on Nasdaq. So yeah, chat. That's it for me today. I know we'll make it back. I'm not worried. We'll make it back this week, and I appreciate y'all.